In this video, we're going to learn about probability. So if we have a problem like this that says, if you select a marble without looking, how likely is it that you will select a blue one? So we have some blue marbles and some purple marbles, and we're supposed to pick whether it's certain, probable, unlikely, or impossible that we will pick a blue one. So the first thing to do is to count the number of each color of marble. So there are 8 blue marbles and 5 purple marbles, it says here. But let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, 8 blue marbles and 5 purple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next step is we need to figure out that since there are more blue marbles than purple marbles, you would probably pick a blue marble. So the answer to this problem is probably. So let's circle the probably. So the answer to this one is probably. So probable. But what if there were other scenarios, right? Like say there were all blue marbles. If you had all blue marbles, then it would be certain that you would pick a blue marble, right? There's no other option. You wouldn't pick a purple because there's nothing purple. So you would for sure, for certain, pick a blue marble. Then this one is unlikely that you would pick a blue marble because this one is the reverse of this. Over here, we have more purple marbles than blue ones. So it would be unlikely that you would pick a blue one. It's possible still, but unlikely because there's less blue marbles than purple. Then if you have the final scenario where they're all purple marbles, no blue ones, then it's impossible for you to pick a blue marble. Okay? And that's the beginning of understanding probability. And don't worry if you don't get this right away, just rewatch the video. There's nothing wrong with repetition. And I have links in the description to other videos of mine that I've done that are like this, that are similar. And also you can follow along the ebook, this exact lesson. And the link to the ebook is also in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the video. Thanks.